Want to simplify data flow in SwiftUI? Learn how stacked data structures can streamline your app's navigation, undo action, and state management in just a few minutes. So the structure we'll be implementing will allow last in, first out functionality. So this is the app that we'll create. At the moment, David is the first person at the top of the stack. But if I want to add another person to the top of the stack, I can enter the person's name in the text field name field, enter the age, 20, then add the person. So now Andrew is at the top of the stack. If I want to filter or search for all the people in the stack, I just type in the search box, type a character, for example, E, click on the Find by Name button, and then it finds all the names of people that contains the letter E: Alice, Charlie, Andrew. So the next thing I'll show you how to do is to remove the person from the stack. Since Andrew is the first one on top of the stack, if I click on the Remove Top Person button, this person will be removed from the stack. Now David is the first person in the stack, and just to show that Andrew has been removed from the stack, I'll type in Andrew's name in the search button, and it doesn't exist, as you can see. So this is the app that we will create in this tutorial. In this part of the tutorial, we will add the buttons to enable objects to be added and removed from the stack. From line 64, add the following: dot padding, background, dot white, corner radius 12, shadow, color, dot black, opacity 0.1, radius 8, x 0, y 4, padding dot horizontal, the next thing we need to add is another V stack. The purpose of our V stack is to add our buttons, action, view model, push person, so it pushes a new object onto the stack. For the button, we need a caption, which is add person. Foreground color, dot white, font weight, semi, padding, frame, max width, infinity, That will ensure that all buttons are the same size. Backgrounds. Linear gradient. 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 And then we pass our colors that we want in our gradient. So this is our array of colors, which is color.blue, color.purple, and then we need a comma, start point, dot leading, end point, dot trailing. Dot corner radius, 10. Dot padding, dot horizontal, the next thing we need to do is to add our remove button. New model dot pop person, text, remove top person. So I'll just copy what I've just done previously between line 76 and 85. And then paste that after line 90. There's another bracket that we don't need, so we can delete the bracket on line 102. I'll just compile it now. On line 95, we just have to change the colors array. So instead of having blue, it should be red, not red. Instead of having purple, it should be orange. On line 101, need to enter .disabled. View model is empty. So what that means, if the view model is empty, then the remove top person button will be disabled. But when the view model isn't empty, then the button will be enabled. Dot opacity view model dot is empty. So if it's empty, that means the opacity for the button will be 0.6, else it will be 1.0. So depending if it's empty or not, the view model, the button will be dimmed or not. After line 104, we need to add another VStack. And the purpose of this VStack is to enable the user to enter their search criteria that they want to filter the lists on. Dot foreground color. Dot secondary. Dot frame. Width 60. Alignment. Leading. Hex field. So this is where we enter our search criteria, name. And then what we enter will be bound to the view model search text. Or search results. So that should be search text. So let's just refactor this. Or search results, yeah, that's okay. Is that right? Let me refactor it. No, that's wrong. It shouldn't be search results. It should be dot find. Let me go back into the view model. It should be find person by name because we're doing a filter. Find person by name. So that should be right. I'll just compile it. Yes, seems like that's right now. The next thing you need to do is to add some padding. Background, color, system, gray, 6. dot corner radius is 10. Let's make the corner radius 8 instead of 10. So I'll just save that. So in next week's tutorial, we will complete the content view for the GUI. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.